In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play GTA 5 with a PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5 controller on PC and a Rockstar launcher. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, before I teach you how to properly set up your DualShock or DualSense controller to play GTA 5 through the Rockstar launcher, I want to make it very clear. At this current moment, I own GTA 5 on Steam. I'm still going to show you the method of setting up your controller to work with the Rockstar launcher version of GTA 5, but I do want to make this very clear. You will notice that for me it says play on Steam, but just ignore this, the method is going to be exactly the same. So all you have to do, if you don't own GTA 5 through Steam itself, is to add the game and the launcher to Steam. The reason why we do this is because Steam has a feature called Steam Input. Steam Input is extremely helpful because it is going to detect the DualSense or DualShock controllers that we are using, and it is going to set them up automatically for us, eliminating any hard task of downloading additional tools. So go to your Steam library and in here click the option to add a game. Choose add a non-Steam game and you will be able to look for Rockstar on this list. For me, I already added the game, so it is not appearing. But if you still need to add the game, go into Browse, and all that you have to do now is go into your PC, find the C drive, which is usually the default installation. In here, you will be able to go into Program Files, Rockstar Games, and then Launcher. Inside of Launcher, you will have plenty of options. To my knowledge, you simply have to add this file here, launcher.exe. You will also notice that you have the Grand Theft Auto V folder here. You should also open this folder and then add the play GTA5.exe file and also the standalone GTA5.exe if you see one. So basically, to summarize, add launcher.exe and also play GTA5.exe. Once this is done, you have two options. You can either run GTA 5 directly through the non-Steam game that you just added and you will be good to go, or you can run the Rockstar launcher and then click the option to play GTA 5. However, the most important thing is that you go into this little gears icon at the right side of the launcher or GTA 5. You go into the properties, controller properties, and you need to make sure that Steam Input is enabled. This is going to be what's allowing us to play using the DualSense or the DualShock. Once this is enabled, click on the controller configurator and you will be able to choose a layout. You will notice that I am using an Xbox controller. I apologize, I don't have a PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5 controller at the moment, but the method is still going to work. All that you have to do is make sure that you have a layout. It doesn't matter which layout, but you need to select one. I would say just select the recommended to be done with, but you can edit your own customizable layout. And as long as you have Steam Input enabled and you run either the Rockstar Games launcher through Steam or GTA 5 directly through Steam, you will be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to play GTA 5 with a PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5 controller on PC Rockstar launcher. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.